Welcome back to the Erayak generator engine production line. Today, we continue sharing 3 key processes. The automatic tightening machine begins tightening the rotor housing bolts. 6 robotic arms work simultaneously, achieving precise bolt tightening for each component. This process utilizes high-precision torque control to guarantee uniform tightness, contributing to the rotor housing's long-term stability and reliability. Once the bolts are fastened, the engine moves along the production line to the central position. Here, the automated arm flips the seat back into place for the next manual step. The technician first places the metal pins used to connect the valve chamber housing and carefully positions the gasket for accurate alignment. Next, the technician aligns the valve chamber assembly with the engine block, preparing the components for bolt placement. The technician applies a specialized red thread locking adhesive to the bolts, enhancing their stability and resistance to loosening over time. The bolts are positioned into place, and the technician performs the initial tightening to hold the assembly in place before proceeding to the final step. Now, the valve chamber housing is transferred to the fully automatic tightening machine for the final, high-precision bolt fastening process. At this stage, the machine utilizes advanced torque control to precisely tighten each bolt to the required specifications, minimizing human error. This automated process not only boosts production efficiency, but also ensures that every engine meets the highest quality standards. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content about the Erayak generator production process.